Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about another deepin project, AI slash deepin project. As you know, this sector is quite hot, and I believe in the bull market is going to continuously be hot. And on my channel, I try to show people things that are lesser talked about or lesser known. Hence why I done a video of hyper. I think it's called hyperspace. You could check YouTube, guys. No one is talking about that project. Literally, there's not even one video like mine on YouTube, apart from probably their own official companies. Today I want to talk about Koii network. It has been mentioned quite a few times actually, but I still believe there's a majority of people don't know about it, hence why I decided to do this video. Let's get into it. Per usual, guys, nothing is financial advice in my videos. Now, if you want to deep dive, I'm going to briefly go over what the project is, but if you do want to deep dive, my good friend Wajahat Mughal, I'll leave his video in the description. He's done a deep dive on this video, but I'm just talking about it briefly before I go into it. One of the reasons what made me look into this project more was the fact that they've collabed with, as we know, literally has a lot of high caliber or high projects that people are interested in, and usually it's tier one investors that have invested in those projects. That's what gave me that confidence of to look into the project and know that it's not one of those lower caliber projects. And so we have here on the CoinList website, you can see it testing it. It says, what is Koii? Koii is a L1 and compute platform for deepin and AI. Nodes on Koii run a collaborative economical task, allowing them to form small consensus networks using CARP. Koii isn't just about raw compute. Nodes can provide storage, bandwidth, data mining, and a range of other value generating activities. So you got a rough idea. I'll link these in the description, and you've got a key here as well. Koii is the currency of deepin. You got K2, the hyperscalable layer 1 blockchain, etc. So you get the idea. Is a software where you'd run on your computer and you allow tasks to be done on your laptop and or your computer, as from what I understand anyway. And it's not exactly like Grass. So I've done a video on Grass. It's not exactly like Grass where you just use bandwidth. It does seem to be slightly different. Anyway, so I'll let you read this, and I'm going to mainly focus on how you can actually run the node or run the application on your laptop and some of the key things that I've learned. So one more interesting thing that I found recently is there's a project called Uprock that's basically working with they're working with Koii. It seems like they've got a collaboration with Koii, and it seems like they're going to do something and launch a token on the Solana phone. So that's going to be interesting. I'm looking forward to that, and that should be quite good as well. So hopefully you should be able to do some tasks and earn from your phone as well. So that should be quite cool. Anyway, so in terms of actually running the node and start earning passive income, so what you need to do is you need to go on this website per usual. Use my referral link, and I've put the link and I'm going to put the code in the description. And so basically, once you've downloaded the software, it's going to ask you to you're going to need some tokens to stake to start running the task. So you go here. Now, two things. One is you can install their wallet. They got a Chrome extension like this. It's called Finny. You can download the extension and do the task and receive it here. What I done the task and I received the tokens in my app, and then I installed the wallet and I imported that same wallet. You can do it whichever way you want, but you just have to do simple tasks like follow them on Twitter, etc. Connect your GitHub, Discord, and email, and that's it. You just verify all of that. Just check your junk. I think my email came in the junk, or my first email didn't work. I had some issue like that, but it was solved quite fast and they're working. And yeah, make sure you put my referral code link here or my code, whichever one works for you. And that's it. So once you've got the app, I'll show you how the app looks. I've only been running the app for not too long, about a day or so. And as you can see, I've earned one Koii. But then again, so what you want to do is once you've downloaded the app, you're going to go to add task, and you're going to want to add these tasks. Now, I want to be honest with you guys, I'm not 100% sure about what all the tasks exactly mean, but you get started and then, we learn as we go along. You would add these tasks, and here it will say something that you need to do before you can confirm and add it. And then I've added two, and as you can see, I've earned one token. Now, it hasn't even been 24 hours probably. Now, one thing I will say is I've got an M2 Mac with like 32 gig storage, and I'm pretty sure it's because of this application my Mac is actually heating up. And normally my Mac never heats up because I've got a very good Mac. It's quite powerful. I'm pretty sure it's because of this. Now, if this taking too much energy on my laptop, I might have to not run it, but I think it'll be worth it maybe long term. But it just I'm still deciding how I want to go. But I just thought I'd be transparent and tell you guys what I think about like how it's actually running. And most people probably wouldn't have a Mac as powerful as mine. I'm not bragging or anything, but it's very one of the latest Macs from Apple. But I'm guessing some of you guys have one of those gaming setups or probably have GPUs or Windows setup. It might be very powerful for that. I'm not. My Mac still works completely fine. I'm just noticed it being a bit warmer than usual. I'm assuming it's because of this app. But yeah, apart from that, so you see your rewards here, you can see your tokens, and it's pretty straightforward, guys. It's in the deep in area, and it's got the collaboration with CoinList, so that's what kind of giving me confidence. But this heating up issue, because a laptop super now heating up is very bad for your battery, and I never want to make your battery go bad. That's pretty much it, and this is the link for the desktop, sorry, the Chrome extension. As you can see here, I got my token, my assets, etc. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. It works. It's quite easy to use, and hopefully you might pick up steam in the bull runs. You wanna position yourself now, guys. Hope you got some value from this video, and I'll see you in the next one.